continuing to explore the how we work concept that I introduced in the first piece of these live stream videos, and really comes down to recognizing that how we work is an expression of our core values. And to demonstrate that again, I'm working through our core values. They're the ones that I know the best, and then hopefully I can wrap it up towards the end of the week with how to tie that all together. Actually, it'll be early next week the way that the rollout's happening. So talking about the core value that our traction has, listen, learn, deliver. Yesterday I spoke about the listen piece, which is an important piece, and really we see it as a cycle that kind of reinforces itself. So listen, learn, deliver, and then you kind of go back, listen, learn, deliver. But when we talk about learn, it can mean a few different things. And again, this is an area that I personally need to develop on a little bit, and I think as service providers, it's something that we need to think about as well. A lot of times we're contracted to help solve a problem, and we look at each problem the same way. We solve the same problem for other clients. That's one of the reasons that they come to us. But if we don't continue to learn the industry that they're in, their unique challenges, oftentimes it's the unique way that their team that we're dealing with, their internal stakeholders, if we don't learn about how they work, a project can pretty easily run off the rails. So when we talk about learn, for us that means learning about the client, about the industry, about the particular challenges that they're having. Serves us best to have a real natural curiosity, and I think that's one of the things that our team does really well here. And natural problem solvers, I think, have a natural curiosity to learn more, dig that extra a little bit deeper. So learning about the problem, learning about the client, learning about the industry, learn. The second one is the idea where we're learning from our peers. So one of our other core values is team over ego, and I'll talk about that one tomorrow. But team's really important to us and how we work. And oftentimes we'll come back to our team and learn from our peers, the people who we work with every day, and learn from them about how they're tackling the problem. So that learning from the people around us. The second or third one is learning from people in the room, and this is a skill set that's developed again more so in some of my teammates than myself particularly, but it's facilitating the wisdom that's in the room. And I stole that term from Willy van Klooster, who was the board chair of Pillar Nonprofit Network, and was very instrumental to my understanding of how board governance works. Willy van Klooster's phrase was, the job of the board chair is to facilitate the wisdom that's in the room. I think a lot of times when we go in and work with clients, the answer is often in the room, and that's a phrase that I've stolen from Ted Doholis, from Doholis Lambert, who's worked a lot with our traction and helped us a lot with our core messaging. And I think, looking at the world through his lens, that when he works with us, he's really looking to learn from us in the room. And to a certain extent, that's by challenging us, challenging our preconceptions, and enabling us to come together as a leadership team when he's working with the leadership team to get those answers out. Another great facilitators get to work with every day is Rachel Berdan, and having seen her at work, again, it's drawing out that common thread amongst the team and allowing people to learn from each other in the room. So I think that's what a good facilitator does, is understand that there's wisdom in the room, and it's their job to facilitate and get that out of the room. So there's and last but not least, there's always the component of continual learning. So how you engage in developing your skill sets. For me, that's listening to podcasts and reading books, because we always want to be on the leading edge of what's going on in industry and helping companies solve their problems. So if I'm expressing the core value of learning, or as part of the listen, learn, deliver, it's my job every day to learn more, both when I'm in the room working with a client, when I'm in the room working with my team, or when I'm out driving around in my car listening to podcasts. So it's really instrumental to how we work, is listen, learn, deliver, and that's the learn piece of that. So hopefully you found this valuable. I think it's a reflection on again, how we work and how we want our organizations to work, and articulating that as part of our core values means that it's reinforced in how we talk about ourselves every day. All right, with that, I will wrap up. Have a great day.